Hi everyone, Anat Kessler here with the new video tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool secret message card. So we're going to start with a 7x10 cardstock, and we're going to score it at 2.5, 5, and 7.5. I recommend using a solid color for this card, but of course if you want, you can use cardstock with a pattern on it as long as it's double-sided. So next we're going to fold on all the score lines that we made. We're going to fold it in an accordion shape. So we're going to get a big W or a big M like this. Next we're going to measure and mark every 1/2 inch from the edge all the way to the end. So mark with your pencil every 1/2 inch, and then of course we want to make straight lines, so we need to mark it again because a straight line always goes through 2 points. So every 1/2 inch, and then we're simply going to mark the lines, to draw the lines, but only while the paper is folded and until the score line, like this. So we're not going to go all the way with the pencil, with the marking of the lines. Only from the edge while the paper is folded until the fold line, the score line. Okay, so once you have all your lines drawn, you can go ahead and cut them. I rather use a craft knife and a ruler because it's more accurate, but you can use scissors if you want. And you're going to cut those along those lines while the paper is still folded. So you're going to go again from the edge until the score line. Don't cut beyond that. So you cut on all the marks, and of course you can see that it's straight with the craft knife and ruler. Once all the lines are cut, you can go ahead and create that really pretty secret message effect. So what we're going to do is open the card like this, and one by one just straighten those little flaps, one to the right and one to the left, like this. Then we're going to bring 2 pieces of 2 3/8 by 7, 2 paper pieces. Again, I'm using solid color, but you can use pattern paper. And we're going to insert them into those loops that we created. Just go with the paper loop by loop and insert the paper on one side, and then the other paper will go on the other side. And basically that will be your card. It's really easy to make and it's really cool. Then if you need to straighten the loops, just straighten them, make them parallel and straight. Okay, so now you have your card. It opens like this and like this. Isn't that cool? Really cool card. So just gonna straighten everything. Now you can use any type of pen that you want to write your message on the little strips that you have on the card. So I'm going to use a white pen to write on the black strips and a black pen to write on the other lighter color paper. And of course you can write anything you want. It can be for a birthday, for get well card, for an anniversary, for a wedding, for a holiday, whatever you want. Of course you can change the colors of the papers and then match it to whatever occasion you need. So this is a really cool and easy card to make. I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything. So I'll keep on writing my text on the card. Not going to fill all of it, but you certainly can. There's a lot of room there. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.